Good morning, everybody. Futures don't look so much bright. Let's see what's going on. So let me show you something here. In every uptrend or downtrend, it always starts with a little bit up, then more up, a little bit up, then comes and then bigger up, then maybe sometime a bigger up, then consolidation. It's so at some point when it gets near top, the rise slows down, then becomes a smaller, and then it starts. People start locking profit, and then what happened is, for example, a lot of times when a name is running up, when it's on the run up, we got a strong close. But then, the farther it goes higher, it just starts having like few days weaker close, then weaker close, and then suddenly it turns around and goes lower. So every market works in a cycle. And right now, I'm not saying market right now, is gonna crash or go down or whatever. But yesterday was a semi days. Semiconductors stocks was pushing market higher, and we did get weekly MACD golden cross on many indexes and many ETFs and many names. And but apparently right now is the day before Nvidia, so and it's all come to Nvidia earning. If Nvidia beats, market can fly up higher. If Nvidia doesn't do good, it can deep down, it can have a red open, and then my prediction is, if even if it does red open, it can go for recovery. But anyhow, for now, market yesterday was interesting. The 4-hour MACD golden cross on indexes, and it was running up into the close, but we got a weak close. That was a bad signal. And right now, again, 4 hour dead cross, and we got a weak close. AVGO, one of another big example that caused this weakness, but not the major ones. Market seems like today maybe people want to lock profit ahead of Nvidia. Pre-market looking, a lot of names looking bearish, but general trend is still very bullish on daily and weekly. So even if we do get a pullback, even if we pull back 100 points, market is still is bullish. 100, 200 points, even if we pull back that much. But we are at the point that even bulls want pullback. This is just, it's too much went up, and if we this speed we go higher, we can even pass 5,000 as SPX. But anyhow, pre-market right now, ES 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hour was golden cross, got a dead cross. We still don't have a dark blue bar on the daily and the ES. Once that happens, then we can talk about some slowdown or a major pullback. And weekly MACD is golden cross. NQ, same thing, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hour got a golden cross, now dead cross. So there is weaknesses are starting to show up. I mean, it's not good because, yesterday it was a clear breakout. We were consolidating for few days on SPX and NQ in a tight range, and yesterday was a clear breakout. But when here's the thing, when you get a breakout, you want to have a strong close. You want to have another run up to the close, but the close was weak on many names and indexes. And yeah, right now we got another pullback again, and 4 hours dead cross is still bullish on daily, and it's still bullish on weekly MACD's golden cross and the NQ. Dow Jones. Uh, Dow Jones is still bullish on daily and weekly. No dark blue bar there. RUT. Um, RUT same thing, but here's the thing. When if market pulls back, small caps have the bigger chance to pull back, and you can see is the more reddish between the other indexes. TNX not much change. 41 43.71, that's a key level to watch. Yesterday at 1 p.m. When the news of 20 years bond came, and that one caused market to rip up higher. And right now TNX still very bearish on daily and weekly. So 43.71, that's a key level to watch. If it breaks that one, market can rip up higher, and 41.68 and 40.42, those are the next target. But right now it's just up and down between 44.6 and 43.71. DXY, not much change there. It's already below 103.676. It needs to break 103, 183, and 102.795 for text to run up higher. Still bearish on daily and weekly. And Wix 4 hour was dead cross, now golden cross, so it's resisting to break 1307. Even yesterday was market was flying higher. Wix wasn't crazy dumping. 1307 is a key level to watch. Keep in mind the low of the year is 1268, so we are not too far from the 52 weeks low. And if we do break that one, that can get interesting. But the closer we get to it, there is possible these kind of stuff happens, that market get some small pullbacks. For now it's a small, we'll see how it goes. BTC BTC did nothing exciting, just yo-yo there, just up and down, but most likely at some point this year is gonna break 40K. Apple pre-market right now looking bearish on 5 to 4 hour, still bear and still very very bullish on daily and weekly. As I mentioned, this one did a huge recovery. 191.7, that's a key level to watch. If it breaks that one, we are running up to a higher level. 192, 193, 194.02, 190.08 today is a key support to watch. If it can hold it, we can retest 188.46, 186.45. Amazon is one of the few names that the daily TTM got dark blue bar, but it went down last week, but right now last 3 days it's been running up non-stop. And but pre-market right now 5 to 30 is looking bearish, so 144.91, that's a support to watch. If it can hold it, we're looking at 144.11, 143.12, and possibly lower level. Again, we're opening bearish, but keep in mind, as always, if you see open up and jump and then 15 and 30 MACD golden cross can run up again. This market is still, there is a lot of deep buyers and FOMO people. Nvidia, it's all about Nvidia earning today. It can affect everything, semis, techs, every technology company. In general, Nvidia is very bullish on daily and weekly, but it's just meaningless right now. It's all about earning. If the earning is good, I show you the major levels. So 511.9 if it runs up, 528.93, 545.97, and if it breaks 545, we are looking for next target. I have to get it, but my next major long target on Nvidia is 883.19. So for supports, we are looking, if the earning is bad, then 580, 487, 474, 466, 456, 447, 441, 432, 417.17. So it again, it's hovering around 500 right now. It's all about earning, so we'll see. AVGO news hit that China put some condition, big gap down. That's maybe one of the reasons that market is gapping down. And pre-market right now, we still don't have golden cross on the 15, but 5 minutes already golden cross. So 966 is hovering around it. If 970 passes, can head for recovery back to 976, 983. If 960 can hold it, we're looking for a retest lower level, 956, 946, 940. Baba wasn't had some nice jump up yesterday, but it's still very bearish on daily and weekly. Need much more run up and much more time to get bullish on this one. Netflix has been a big runner last few days, and yesterday it had a nice run up, but then into the close start getting weak. Right now 5 to 4 hour everything is dead cross, so it's all about 170, 168. Even though yesterday was running, I watched the flow on the Netflix, there wasn't that much call coming in. And 471, but there was puts, so 471.68, if it can hold it, can retest 467.72 and lower level. But it's still very bullish on daily and weekly. Expect to have some pullback and then run up again later. Meta had a nice jump up at open, and then it pulled back and this closes strong again. Still very bullish on daily and weekly. 4 hours getting gold dead cross right now. 338 is support to watch. If it can hold it, 335.82 can come. But again, if you see 515 MACD golden cross run up again, 341.55, that's a next key level. Passes that one, 345.09 is next. Tesla, finally we got a yellow bar on the TTM squeeze, but MACD is not curved up. And right now pre-market 5:15:30 is still downward. So it's just in a yo-yo action for now, between 232.15, 233.51, 235.7, and 237.9. Breaks either way is strong, 237 and 232, then it can have a bigger monster move. I really love it that the TTM squeeze is very bullish on daily, and we got a yellow bar on the weekly. So at some point it should do another big jump up. But with all this news going on right now about X, so it's just lagging it behind. Microsoft made a new all-time high yesterday, but again, it's just covered by news. Every news that hits it, it can pull it back or jump it up. So it's all about Sam Altman or OpenAI. Two key levels to watch today is 373.52 and 375.76. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 375.76, we're looking at 376, 378.99, 388.99. If it breaks 373.52, we're looking at 371, 369.89 support level. Still very bullish on daily and weekly, but Nvidia earning can have a big, huge effect on it. Google pre-market right now 15:31 hours downward, 4 hours same thing. So it had a nice dip yesterday and then run up. So it's possible to have to do the same again. 135.59, you want to pay attention to support 135.59, 134.15. If it gets crazy, can go lower, but 134 maybe touchdown, then run up again to 136.48 on higher level. And AMD it's still, it was interesting. Yesterday was all the semis were running, but AMD wasn't. It's very bullish on daily and weekly, but the 4 hours is showing some weaknesses. So it's just right now up and down. Two key levels to watch is 119.83 and 121.6. If it can hold 119, support 118.73 this morning, but then it's possible to touch down and then jump up again. 120, if it jumps up 123.37, that's the next level. Boeing. It was a very nice run up yesterday. As soon as it opens, it jumps, it pulls back, give it a nice opportunity, then jump up again. And right now it's 218.9. That's the next wall. If it breaks that one, we're looking at 220.79, 223.2. Pre-market right now, 5 minutes is golden crossing, but 15 and 30 and 1 hour not showing that much strength. Need to get a golden cross at 15 and 30. If you see a jump up at open past 218.9, next is 220.79, 223.2. Still 4 hours, still very bullish. Daily, weekly are very, very bullish. SPY. SPY broke out 251.18 yesterday and run up. And as long as it holds it, it could be good. So if it does pull back more at the open, we're looking at 250, 452.44 and 451.18. Those are the next support. Need to break to 454.48 for run up to the next level, 455.93 and 457.78. But pre-market right now, as I said, is showing weakness on the same like ES. 15:31 hour is downward, so be cautious today. There might be some profit locking ahead of Nvidia earning, and then we'll see how's the flow. Based on flow, there is a possibility you can predict how market is gonna go. QQQ, it went to 390.65 and pulling back right now. If the pullback continues, we're looking at 387.33 and lower level, but it's possible to touch down this level and then bounce up. If it bounces up 390.65, that's the next major. Above that, need to break yesterday high to run up to 394.89. 4 hours dead crossing, and but it's still very, very bullish on daily and weekly. What else you got here? Roku had a nice run up yesterday, 4 hours dead crossing again, maybe some consolidation ahead. Then for next leg up there, if 96.15 next week, maybe this week breaks, then we're looking at 97.21, 98.92, 163. For now, supports are 93.05, 92.09. If it pulls back bigger, if it does pass 92, it can go back to 88.9. PanW, very big runner last 3 days. It recovered all the earning loss, and all-time high I believe is 265.9. So for now, again, Nvidia can have effect on this one. 5 to 1 hour is looking bearish, so 257.77. If it can hold it, retest of 255.4, but it's possible midday we get a recovery. So if market recovers, it can run up back to 261 and higher level. LRCX had a nice run up yesterday too, so it doesn't have any volume at the pre-market, but since market is weak, it is possible to open and pull back to 714, 710, 75. LRCX is like that. It never have, it rarely have volumes pre-market or aftermarket. So it's possible to touch down 710.75. If it gets worse, can get 703 or 698, 67. But 718 is a key level. It's a major level. If it passes that one for a then we're looking at 721, 726, 731, 56. What else you got here? Coin was running up yesterday. Right now it's showing a little bit of weakness. 105.38, that's a key level to watch. Let me fix this one. So 105, 105.38, if at any time breaks stronger. It broke it yesterday. It closed it above it, but right now it's pulling back a little bit. So supports are 102.99.35. If it does break 105.38, then this week or whenever BTC breaks out, we're looking at 106.5, 108.31, 110.12. LLY had a nice jump up at open yesterday. So 612, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 605, 612.42. What else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major names. As always, please like like the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like, you can join Said Option Service, or if you just want level, chartwiser.com. Be cautious, market is opening a little bit bearish. And if you see 1530 MACD golden cross, market can head for recovery. It's Nvidia earning today after close. It's all about that. If it goes, market goes crazy. If it drops, can pull back everything, and then we'll see at open what happened tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in.